step-by-step demonstration of Facebow transfer and mounting on JP30 meatus semi-adjustable articulator part 1. This video will explain the parts of the Facebow assembly and clinical steps to record the condylar relationship with the maxillary bite. Let's start with parts of the Facebow assembly. There is a U-shaped Facebow frame with right and left condylar rods or earpieces at the end. These two earpieces are passively fit into the external acoustic meatus by pushing the right and left arm of the framework inward while taking the Facebow transfer. Then we have an adjustable nasal pointer that acts as a third point of reference other than the condyles as it rests on the nasal bridge below the glabella. There are other articulators which use orbital pointers at the third point of reference. The nasal pointer can be adjusted vertically on and anterior-posteriorly so that it rests on the nasal bridge just below the glabella. Then we have the connecting and locking devices that extend vertically downwards from the Facebow framework. It has the socket to hold the bite fork with the maxillary bite while taking the Facebow transfer. Finally, we have this arch-shaped dental fork which is used to record the maxillary bite, and then it's transferred or fixed to the Facebow assembly through this vertical connector and the locking devices. This is the way how the handle of the bite fork is locked to the connector device. Let's see the clinical steps of Facebow transfer. After kneading of the impression compound in hot water, the dental fork is loaded and maxillary bite is registered. The dental fork is placed in such a way that the handle of the dental fork aligns or orients itself with the facial midline when observed from the top, that is from above the head end. This is exactly the same way we take maxillary impressions, orienting the handle of the tray to the midline. The bite fork is held in the mouth either by the patient or by your assistant, and the Facebow framework is adjusted in a way that the condyle rods or the earpieces are seated in the external auditory meatus. The nasal pointer is placed over the nasal bridge below the glabella, and the anterior arm of the dental fork is fixed to the connecting devices of the Facebow framework. All locking screws are manipulated to achieve this rigid fixation. Usually, gross adjustments in the beginning, then the finer adjustments, and final locking of the Facebow assembly. Thus, the relationship of the condyles and the maxillary bite are rigidly recorded and correctly recorded. This is an orthodontic surgery case where the intermediate and final splint fabrication is planned. Hence, a wax bite registration of maxillomandibular relationship in centric is recorded before dechairing the patient. So this is the complete Facebow assembly with all components rigidly locked, excepting the right and left arms of the framework that are pushed inwards to place the earpieces of the Facebow onto the condylar pins of the articulator. Then the arms are locked. My next video will be on understanding of the Meatus JP30 semi-adjustable articulator, how to adjust the condylar elements, and step-by-step demonstration of articulation of working models. Do subscribe to my channel to get interesting update. Thank you so much.